FAALIFU guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday here in Samoa. Special fatalofa to all Ainga members. Hope everyone is having a great morning and hopefully a great start of the week. Today we will be doing something a bit different. No umu today. So I was thinking yesterday when we went to the plantation in the evening, I was going to get taro, but I thought, might as well leave the taro because I saw an aufai that looked really good, which is this one here. And now we're going to use that aufai. So we're going to make today, trying to keep it simple, but also because I feel like a barbecue. We're going to do a FAALIFU, a SAMOA, and a BBQ PP. So that is our menu for today. I know it doesn't sound simple, but I think it's simple because we're not doing omu today. But nothing's wrong with not doing omu on Sunday. As long as you get to eat on Sunday, that's the main thing. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you soon. sucker is now on, the FAALIFU. I've just finished chopping up the chicken. It doesn't look that nice at the moment, but it'll get better. After that, once we get the sucker and the SAMOA out of the way, then we'll get started on the barbecue. But yeah, I was gonna cook again in the kitchen, but I don't know, I don't like, there's something about the aroma from, you know, the coconut husks and the coconut shells, when you know, the smoke from that, when it incorporates in the food. I don't know, there's something about that that gives the food an extra flavor, which is why I now prefer cooking here at the mkuka in the back as opposed to our usual gas oven. So yeah, more taste, more flavor, more passion, more energy. Two ulos, one lid. So we have to wait for FAALIFU. Say velal saka fa ifo le ulo le o le kapung yo le ulo saka e kapung le supomo. E pasa o kwa e se mera pero ifo e lua ulo e kasi kapung. But see that smoke there? That's the one that gets incorporated into the food, and so good. Yeah, my guy. Let's go with the coffee. So just added the coconut cream now. We're going to wait for that to cook, and then that'll be done. We'll pop the chicken onto the heat, towards the center of the heat, and then we'll rekindle the fire. Luckily, Ave found us a lid, although it's not the lid for the actual pot, but it'll do for now. Saka is almost ready, so we're going to sasa it into the container. Alright, so now we've got the chicken onto the heat. We need to scrape the pumpkins and get the other stuff ready. Ave. The chicken is coming along nicely. Gonna add in the pumpkins now. So we only had 4 chickens. I cut them into small pieces. And this is how you make 4 chickens go a long way. Is the soup, good stock. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so pumpkin's gone in now. We're gonna let it go on for a bit. Then we'll add the noodles and the cabbage towards the end. No, we'll add in the noodles soon, but the cabbage towards the end. All right, so soup on. I've just added in the noodles, onions, salt, and a bit of MSG, and the seasoning packet for the noodles. See over there, just getting the fire ready for the barbecue. This was an old keg that we found in front where the dragon fruit plants were, so I thought I might as well put it to good use and make this barbecue as a barbecue pit, whatever it's called. But yeah. So I've added in some rocks as well, just so that it retains the heat once the fuel, the wood and the coconut shells are gone. But it's looking really good, so waiting for that to die down. Then we'll throw onto the fire the chicken wire, which we'll use to do the barbecue on. The reason why we throw it on the wire while it's still hot before we lay the meat is to sterilize it. But first we'll give it a wash and then we throw it on. So see over there, just finished washing the chicken wire. Went to get the meat. You see the chicken wire there hanging on the pole there. We're just waiting for the and then we'll put the chicken wire on once the fuel, the wood and all of this goes down, and then we'll add on the BB. All right, almost ready. In case anyone wanted to know what the marinade was, it was just soy sauce, sugar and tomato sauce and a bit of herbs and spices. Alright guys, so I've got to the sauce here, just a bit of water inside to keep it simmering and reduce into a nice juice. But now we're going to turn the BB, the turkey tails, for the first time. Right. I've just added this foil here because I'd like to keep it covered like that, so we'll just leave that to the side here. But now let's turn it. Good lord, what have I done? This is amazing. Holy smokes, look at that color. sorry guys, got a little carried away there. First batch is done now, second batch is on. Got the first batch in there, which is simmering. Now I'm on to the second batch. Quickly flipped it off, and then yeah, continue on. Sorry guys. It's really difficult trying to monitor the barbecue because the turkey tail is really high in fat, so at times the flame dies out. Then once that fat starts hitting the fire, it ignites the fire again. So I've just added, every time fire comes up, I add a bit of juice, and see, the fire ignites again, so I have to try and put it out. The thing is burning. I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, I think it's time for a taste test. Ooh. So juicy, so nice. Oh, wow. Ooh! We did it guys, we did good. Slightly burnt on the outside but still juicy on the inside. That's why I try to stop the flames so it doesn't char the outside that much, but like does a nice sear. So aqui got go supo. Sabe o ifo. We're not smoking. No, I don't smoking. It's all in now. Now we're gonna put it on the heat and then just let it simmer for a bit. Allow the steam to cook up most of what was left uncooked, or I mean slightly cooked. Alright, so barbecue is now simmered. We're gonna asu the soup into containers and then take it to the house, and then the barbecue will follow. Alright guys, we have finally come to the end of our episode. Boy, my back hurts. But it's, yeah, we went pretty good. I think we did pretty well, given that we made it up to 11:30. So that was a really good result. So I'm going to show you guys the results now. And yeah, see what you guys think of it. So starting on this side, we've got our SAMOA with pak choy, noodles, and pumpkin. The stock is very nice. Looking so good. We've got our FAALIFU there. The new is very nice, man, honestly. I think I had a bit when we finished. And then coming on this side, we've got our BBQ BB. Slightly charred, but that's okay. We like it that way. So yeah, guys, looking really good. How's that for Sunday cooking, eh? See, so you can do it without omu. As long as there's food on the table, you should be okay. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna sign off now. Gonna enjoy the food with the family. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Have a great week. Have a great chogum to our locals, but have a great week for the rest of our audience. Hope you guys have a blessed week. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless. Take care, stay safe. See you guys soon.
Give thanks, so when me I bleed. Set speed, I carry on now. Big man in town, them shoulda know say me I keep it crown. Yeah. Plant seeds, work feed. Well, enough of them want ready born. When the food gone so long, them run. And them can't be found, still man fight the fight, me not give in. Day and night, me keep on building. Way of life, me breathe out, breathe in. Oh, 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 oh. Tell them I'm a winner, yeah. Not pop down, not Joe, not turn in a sinner. Oh, man, still a believer. Even if me get knocked down, me keep the bounce. Now see me front, you got me from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner, yeah. Still a believer. And after the sunset, me not fed, cause I'm the defi defend. The world it a turn, so me know that the sun a go rise again one day. I go reach higher heights, even if now it feels like I'm falling. All of me goodness and glory abide by my side, yeah. Knock it, come me knock we till the work done. Win or lose, a man a winner, and that's for certain. Never take no program, come me and me own dance. So me go and chad and chad and chad. Tell them I'm a winner, yeah. Not pop down, not Joe, not turn in a sinner. Oh, man, still a believer. Even if we get knocked down, we keep the bounce. Now see me front, you got me from a little and I grow. Come on, a winner, yeah. Still a believer.